By lining up your knee with the center of the rear bumper and moving your foot with one swift motion, you can access the trunk without needing to fumble for keys or press any buttons. When you need to close the trunk, just use the same motion and the trunk will close effortlessly. Please note that vehicles that are equipped with the trailer hitch do not have the Smart Opener feature. In our X vehicles, settings for the tailgate can be customized through Vehicle Settings. Scroll to Doors and Windows, then press Tailgate. From here, you can set the opening height. If you prefer to disable the Smart Open feature entirely, you can toggle the open and close feature separately.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?